Hello, good morning from beautiful city of Montreal. This is the old port area. It's a very nice and big parks. People using especially walking to go there. So I will see that it is possible for me to take my car or not. Really beautiful riverside area. See this park, that area, all shipping and cruise. I can see from here railway. Line. All area. Some areas seem very historical. So this is the shipyard, like big cargo and shipyard. This is Port Montreal. This is Port Montreal. Because Montreal is attached with the ocean, so that's why all cargo is coming from this area, from Montreal.